Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you put reminders on iPhone. So guys, to put reminders, just go to reminders at first. Continue. So guys, to put reminder, just click the bottom left this new reminder option. Now give the reminder title. Now here you can see notes. You can select the note for the reminder. If you select details from here, you can select the details here. Just like the first one is time. You can select the time when will you ask. Just like here, you can also select the time. Just like about 3 p.m. If you select early reminder, you can just select here 1 day, 2 hours, 1 hour. You can select the reminder when you want to select the reminder, just like 15 minutes before the time comes or 30 minutes. If you want to repeat it, you can select it as well, just like every month, every weekly, every 6 months, yearly, every day, or never. If you select tags, you can select the tags, just like any tag you want. If you want to select the location, you can select it. You can select the getting in location, getting out location. If you select when messaging and choose the person, just like I'm choosing this person, whenever I am messaging this person, the reminders will shown. You can also add image by clicking this add image option, and you can add image by taking photo or from photo library. I'm choosing it from photo library. You can also select this priority option if it is low, medium or high. And after selecting all the options, click the top right add. Now if you select on here, you can see the reminder. So guys, that's how you can put reminders on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.